Want to finally get control of your money without complicated spreadsheets or expensive planners? Let's break down the famous 50-30-20 budgeting rule, and show you how it works with real-life examples. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple method to manage your money. It divides your monthly after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings debt repayment. Let's say James earns $2,500 per month after taxes. Here's how he should ideally budget using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs equals $1,250, 30% wants equals $750, 20% savings or debt equals $500. First, needs. These are essentials you can't live without: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. Example: rent, $800, groceries, $200, utilities, $100, transport, $150, total, $1,250. Next is wants, non-essentials that make life enjoyable: dining out, subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, new clothes, travel, gym memberships. Example: restaurants, $200, Netflix, Spotify, $30, gym, $50, shopping, $200, weekend trip, $270, total, $750. Finally, savings debt repayment, emergency fund, retirement account, credit card debt, student loan payments. Example: savings, $250, credit card payment, $150, student loan, $100, total, $500. The 50-30-20 rule works because it's flexible, simple, and effective. It helps you live within your means while building financial security. Don't include taxes in your total, only budget what you actually take home. Don't confuse wants with needs, be honest, and always adjust based on your real priorities. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money tips every week.